Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to book in items for your replenishment orders via the actual PDA. So what we'll do is I will log myself in. Okay, so it's this section here I'm talking about here. So if I click on here, then what I want to do, I want to select the actual order that I know that's just arrived in store. So if I click on that one, it's this one right here. This one's just come in. So obviously I've got a big pallet of stuff. So I've got the PDA in my hand. How do I get this checked in so I know what's arrived? So what I'll do, I'll click on that one. Then click on the check process order section here. So click on that one. And then what I'm going to do, I need to scan some items. So let me just grab some of these barcodes. So if I scan that, find that, boom, there you go. So that's what it's expected. And I can physically check it in. So what I'll do, I can check in and say, yep, 5 of them have arrived. Done on that one, no problem. Update. Sorted. So what I'll do now is I'll get another barcode. I'll scan that. And what I'll say is, what I'll do for this one is I'll say, okay, only 4 of these have arrived. Oop. And I'll say 1 of them hasn't. Then I'll update selected amounts. So there you go. So they're the 2 items I was expecting in this order. I've scanned them both in with my PDA and I've checked them off. So then what I'll do is I'll nip over to my software and I'll go to replenish stock. Again, all this data is completely live as you do it. This is the order in question. So let's open this up. And there you have it. So I've got 1 item there that's gone orange, which would indicate that there's a slight problem. So that's the one that it came in as 4 and that came in as 1. And then obviously this one down here, if I just select here, this one has gone light green to indicate it's been checked and it's all no problem. So right now, if I wanted to get all these items into my stock, into inventory straight away, all I literally need to do here now is just select all, add to stock, done. So as you can see, it's only added in 9 items there because obviously 5 there, 4 there, and 1's obviously a problem. So obviously that's something I need to address with my supplier. Get onto them, find out what's happened with it, and then I can then come back to this. I can then edit this, change that to 5, change that to 0, and then I can add it again and it'll add in that extra 1 as well. Because as you can see, it's only added in 4. So it'll know that obviously when to change this, if I then add the stock again, it'll only add in the 1. So there you have it. So, do hope that's been useful. Thank you much for watching. I'll check you out next time. Take care.